Hi guys, so I just wanted to take this opportunity to ask you to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my recent uploads. Hi guys, Osa here and welcome back to my channel. Did you miss me?
Did you miss me?
Hey guys, Osa here and welcome back to my channel. So if you're interested in creating this really sexy hairstyle, please keep on watching. Hello everyone, so welcome back. All right, you're gonna need a couple of things. You're gonna need a brush, a hair tie, some gel, an oil of your choosing, and some hair spritz for extra hold. So we're gonna start off by oiling our scalp first. Get in there nice and good. Don't forget to get your edges. And then you can get the rest of your hair. So this next step is optional. I'm just using a pick to comb out my hair. I just want to get rid of any tangles that I might have. Now you want to take some gel and start to slick back your hair. I'm not a huge fan of gel, but I knew I was going to be washing my hair in another like 3 or 4 days. So I said, let me at least try to put my hair into a ponytail. So I'm just placing the gel all over my hair and just trying to pack my hair into one. Go ahead and use a brush to smooth it out. And you're going to try to get this ponytail as tight as possible. Okay, once you have that, now I'm going to braid this section down. You'll wind up with 2 braids. Go ahead and do the other side. And when you're done with that, you're going to wrap your braids around your ponytail and secure it with a bobby pin. I'm going to add some more gel, and I'm also just checking to make sure that my sideburns are out. I've really been loving doing things like this. It just makes the hairstyle look even more natural. So this next step is optional. I'm going to use a spritz spray to give me even more of a hold, and I'm going to brush all of my hair into place. I'm going to use one of these wraps to tie my hair down just to really hold it securely, and I'm going to put a scarf over that. So now I'm just setting my watch. I want to keep this on for about 30 or 40 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to open up this pack of hair. And this is just Marley hair or Cuban twist hair. And you want to separate the hair. You want it to be nice and full. Take a rubber band once you're done separating the entire pack and loop it around, right? You're going to put one side through and you're going to give it a nice pull. You're going to see that right here. Give it a good pull and make sure it's in there nice and snug. One of the things I wish I would have done differently was to use a black hair tie for that part because you're going to see why in a second. The rubber band was showing when I was trying to braid down the hair. I didn't have one on me, but I didn't want to miss my opportunity to do this video. So now I'm just going to take a section of the hair and start twisting it around my ponytail to make sure that it's nice and snug. Once that's complete, I'm going to begin braiding down this hair. So you'll see what I mean in a second. So as I'm braiding this hair, you can see the rubber band. So then I had to figure out a way of how I was going to cover that. So go ahead and braid your hair all the way down. And of course, you're going to use a rubber band to secure it at the end. So a couple of key things that I want to mention is once you're done braiding, make sure you tuck your hair into the Marley hair and then of course cover up any bands that might be showing. In this next section, I'm just separating the braids. I'm like trying to pull it apart, just make it a little bit looser so that it looks even more natural. All right, family, and I hope that you enjoyed today's video. As you can see, this hairstyle is really cute, really fun, super sexy. I feel that anyone can pull this off. I hope you guys will try it. If you do, please tag me in some of your photos. I would love to see it. And yeah, thank you for all the love and support. I'll see you guys in my next one. All right, and this ends today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Of course, when it comes to your hair type, you should always foresee beauty. All right, guys, and this ends today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. On your way out, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye now.